that. Hey meal preppers, welcome to another session of Let's Meal Prep with Paul and Amy. Paul right here, Amy behind the camera. And as you can see, we have parts today for two dishes because we got wraps and we got tacos. And then we have an awesome cod dish over here. We're excited about these. They're a little different. Well, I know Amy's not excited about this one. It's a little tofu
tastes okay.
dish, but we'll see how it goes. Tofu is tough, guys. It is tough, but
just time consuming.
Over here with this beautiful cod dish. Guys, this is a miso and honey glazed cod. When you buy miso in a paste, it does come in kind of a biggish tub. So you don't just use it all at once unless you need a lot of miso soup. So I found a recipe that called for some miso and then just kind of made it my own. I added a little bit of honey to this and we just charred it under the broiler and then just let it finish out at 375. Meanwhile, I made this bok choy concoction. It's got, I sauteed everything in sesame oil with a little bit of the miso paste and some salt and pepper, and got some mushrooms in there. It's a different mushroom mix with just regular and shiitake and stuff like that. And then it's got red onion and carrots. And the bok choy looked great today, so that is wilted down. Even kept some of the whites in there. Love that little crunchy part
Lots of
the bok choy.
stuff in there.
So yeah, this is a really good dish. Cod is really good for you. And then you got your greens and some carrots in there. So good dish right here. And it's just got a little flavor with the miso. A little salty, but it'll be all right. It'll be all right. Over here, we've got some Korean style tofu tacos. This is the mix right here. And then we are going to, this is just straight up. Tofu takes a while to get crispy. So you put it in the pan and just cook it forever until you are just ADD kicks in.
So you're tired of cooking it.
ADD kicks in, or it just gets crispy enough. And then you make the sauce, let the sauce thicken up, put the tofu back in, and it gets it all over there. And then I paired it with a edamame and quinoa salad with a little bit of sesame oil, ginger, and tamari and some rice vinegar. So that came out really good. I can't wait to eat that. But we're gonna put all this together with some tortillas. We've got this purple cabbage and carrots, which I think you just
salt, pepper, lime.
And lime juice, yeah. But this over here was cucumber with
sugar.
You did this.
Rice vinegar and red pepper flakes.
Any sesame oil in there or no? No. So two different kind of flavors here, but with this, all this together is going to be amazing flavor. It's going to be a party in your mouth, guys.
Yep, it's going to be
good. This is going to be good. Can't wait to eat that too. And then over here, it's just a hodgepodge of everything. But this is going to be a Hawaiian chicken, pineapple and chicken dish. Hawaiian pineapple and chicken. Right now it is in a slow cooker. So what you got there? You got pineapple, red onion, and
garlic.
Chicken.
Yeah, and garlic. Yeah. And then the sauce is like tamari and...
There's ginger powder in there.
No, sorry, not coconut aminos. Yeah. Coconut aminos, ginger, salt, pepper, red pepper flakes.
So coconut aminos is a little substitute for soy sauce, but it's going to be a little sweeter.
Still have some time left.
So really not a bad substitute if you want a little bit more sweetness. And then we are going to buy some new lettuce wraps, but these are left over. But we're gonna put it in a lettuce wrap with some purple cabbage, carrots, a little bit of slivered almonds, and some avocado. So all that together with all the juices and the juices, it's going to be amazing.
Super yummy.
There. So that'll be a nice sloppy dish. But we're both working from home this week, so we can be as sloppy as we want.
We can.
So that's awesome, guys. I really can't wait to eat any of these. It'd be great to eat this cod tonight, don't you think?
Can't wait to eat all of these.
All of these. Any of these. Oh, yeah.
Can't wait to eat any of these. I don't know.
Guys, if you need a copywriter, Amy's team, guys, look at these great colors. Let us know what you love. Let us know what you want us to make for you. You know, we can always spin some good dishes for you if you are in the mood for something. All right. Have a great weekend. Take care.